একটা মেসেজ বলে দেবে I'm hearing a voice আমি আওয়াজ কান শুনি আছে names of mountains. So firstly I heard from the Holy Spirit আওয়াজ শুনি আছে Himalaya and I heard again Himachal. It is a state আছে নাকি Himachal, Arunachal শুনিছে. Then there is one more thing that China laga border de thaka manu khan China bordering China manu thaka khan bishi noksang hobole ase bordering China. Now midnight day ase moi rati de ini naga hi ai ase to bordering China de thaka manu khan bishi duk pabo aro I just heard the voice earthquake. I heard the voice earthquake, and so I heard three names: Himalaya, Himachal, and Arunachal. These three names are bordering China de thaka khan to isulu do tuk pabule laka edu awas etia huni kina thaka ni mile ami ni live ekbar aise just to keep the record because I think something is going to happen. I just heard the word earthquake and tragedy. Earthquake, destruction, and I also heard the voice that Himalaya will be shaken. Himalaya will be shaken. I repeat again, Himalaya will be shaken. Leverage of Korabari at Rabashanta. They do urgent one with the Muni Tarik Ajajide. Nahibula Lagas, Kumoy Jabona gave Guiname. Ishi the Rip of Tagurina, Kumabona. Life I wanna kumabuna life I wanna go na chidri bichire ayase etu rakibole dimile just Holy Spirit ameke kotha kore ase to one aigina ko ase. I heard a voice from the Lord: Himalaya, Himachal, Arunachal, bordering China bordering there. Itu kibabi effect hobo o debit na itu ekta China aro Japan laga majode ekta island nishina ekta ase. I'm just hearing those voice. I'm hearing a voice that between China and Japan there is an island. I'm just hearing those voice between China and Japan. There is an island. I hear destruction and earthquake. Edukan jaga de hoise gule do Himalaya. I repeat again, Himalaya, Himachal, Arunachal, and bordering China. Noksang hobo thaka hoise gule do China bordering khan. Aro between China and Japan there is an island. Edu hoise gule do destruction by effect hobo to be. Leverage korabari edara basha. If you will understand. Leverage korabari edara basha. Ta ami kali samde hi live streaming bhalba loi kina announce korbo bhapna korise olibe olop hurry kore ase. Etu nimira ase just like that. Enaga ase. I repeat again. Yes. Oh, is it real David Taiwan gona ase. I heard voice like olop type na kina ekta nisina moi awas to holi I was not sure edu garni moi island thaka edu go jaise between China and Japan moi type it enaga but I was not that much sure edu garni moi island ase enaga go jaise. Okay, Taiwan average okora pare daraba bordering China can be to pabo aro China aro Japan laga majode island thaka isla mana product ase Taiwan asu ase. Destruction will hit them, and kitia moi to mention gura khana some will become an international sensation. Kumba shulure international news ho jabo. So itu aigena kile ko ase gulo to I want to prove to the world that the Holy Spirit is a living God. So God is all knowing. Ami khan ke dunia dekhi hobole ase to dikhai di thaka isule to konoba ke benefit problem nibedan hoy, but it is for the glory of Jesus Christ. Lebrezo korabari etarabasha antara disekere etarabasha আমি বেশি টায়ার্ড হয়ে গেলে থাকিছে আমি অলমোস্ট লাইক 2 hours না লুইছে না গিয়ে লাইভ স্ট্রিমিং আগে দিলো এইটো রাখি কিনা মই ঘুমাই যাব না গিয়ে না অলপ তুক পাই কিনা কিনা I was meditating from the inside তো মই মেডিটেট কৰাৰ মাজতে ছিল I just heard those voices I heard Himalaya first শুনিছে Himalaya second Himachal third Arunachal fourth earthquake 5 destruction 6 China bordering Kantuk Pabo 7 China aro Japan naga majode island ekta edu tadi edu bi tukpa pungjubo tadi bi nuksang hobo so I heard those voice Ebrezo korobari etara bashanda hari sikri etara bashanda I'm wondering now edu concept to Asia pitor laga hi charai jase Ebrezo korobari rasa korobari etara bashanda Jehovah here, may God सबके मदद कर ले let God, may God have mercy on each and every one of us. At least I'm thankful that amakan chutu nation ekta, chutu state ekta deba global message idu ola pari thaka chula. I'm thankful to the Lord that Nagaland for Christ it will be known to the world, to some of the people out there by the revelation and prophecies that is given to the prayer home. At least one day the people will know that Nagaland for Christ exists. Some countries will know. I'm telling you, the first thing that I heard was okay now okay so everyone the timing mo ko ase 2026 July 30 এটা 10:51 PM hoise etu rati de moi live streaming ai kere moi prithvi laga kere I'm revealing these things that are going to take place. I heard a voice from the Holy Spirit, the name Himalaya. I heard Himalaya will be shaken. I heard Himachal and Arunachal also. And on top of that, I heard that people, those who are living bordering China, they are going to face trouble. Disasters are going to hit the bordering area of China. And then I also heard a voice that between China and Japan there is an island which I was told that island is called Taiwan. Destruction will hit. Losses, I see losses. Nuksangha. Losses. So that was the word I received. And therefore I encourage each and every one of the believers to pray for those countries, pray for those places that edukan hatawili bolinimide. And I heard earthquake and disaster. Edu chakahano bodeshla I heard earthquake and disasters. I repeat again, earthquake and disasters. I'm repeating, Himalaya will be shaken. Himachal, Arunachal, China bordering are going to face disasters. And between China and Japan there is an island, Taiwan. I hear earthquake, disaster. Tuita Shaptunya said disaster and earthquake. That is going to bring losses, nuksang, losses, lots of losses. So I'm giving this revelation to the world.